What a pretty dress.
Melanie, look!
What do you see?
Okay.
What do you see?
Okay. Okay, let's go look at your cake. Oh. Look!
Okay.
Look, what do you see?
We don't touch right now, but who do you see? Who's on that cake?
Do you want to put your tiara on?
I want to have music. I want a concert.
And your what?
To rock with my hand.
And look, Melanie, you've got a little princess pocketbook to go with your dress. All set for the birthday girl. Very good.
I wouldn't leave her alone with that cake.
She's looking at that cake.
All right.
How am I going to get up?
You stop it.
Yay! Melanie.
Melanie, what do you have?
Does my camera have a fan?
Oh, I'll put it in here.